We're all spending more time online doing shopping, banking, streaming, social media, and we rely on secrets to prove that we are who we say we are. But our credit card numbers aren't secret because we give them out to everybody, right? And CISOs, cover your ears, we reuse passwords, like all the time. So we're all susceptible to identity theft and fraud. And as you can see from these numbers, it's a problem that's only growing alongside e-commerce. Our original product evaluates e-commerce payment transactions while you're checking out. This takes under 250 milliseconds. We decide whether it's you who's using your credit card. 15 years ago, if you wanted to run as fast as we have to go with all of the data that we've got to have on hand to evaluate these transactions, you had to have one big data store. And then PHP, for all of its limitations, is a fast, single-threaded language that's well-suited to these types of API calls and responses. So this architecture met our principles of the time. But when we wanted to build new products, we can't reuse any of this monolithic architecture. We picked AWS because we really wanted to lean into managed services to save on operational costs. And AWS's managed services are well-suited to these short latencies and the types of data patterns that we had. So when we went to AWS, we moved to a microservices architecture using Go and Python. And that was a decision we came to after coming up with our new principles. Availability remains. And stability and latency are still really important to us. We build machine learning features, then run through a machine learning model, finally take all of that data and run it through our policy engine to come up with the decision, approve, decline, or hold for review. That gets passed back to the customer, again, in less time than it takes to blink. You can see that each of these microservices can have a different data backend instead of using that one central repository. So we use things like RDS, Elasticsearch, DynamoDB. So everything we're doing now is adding more capability. And we're now pulling data from Equifax's data fabric, which is implemented in another cloud service provider. But our AWS microservices don't care where this data is coming from because of the encapsulation. The whole point of this thing was that we would build a bunch of microservices that can be orchestrated together to generate new products that we haven't even thought of yet. The fact that that's worked means that our real-time, low-latency artificial intelligence from Count, combined with Equifax's differentiated data products, will supply the new Equifax digital services moving forward.